Hello, this is Tanya from TK Sewing Machine and Repair, and this is my latest finished project. It's a Rotary machine, and it is just amazing. I've had it for a good little while. I won it at an auction, excuse me, and it's really the first rotary that I restored. Real pretty oak base. It is missing the little drawer lid right there. It has a wonderful foot pedal right here. It's really cool. Very, very cool. And the machine, the motor has been serviced, rewired, and I also made a new leather tire for the hand wheel. So now it runs really, really smooth. You can't get this set up anymore, not easily. I couldn't find them. So it runs really well. It's a straight stitcher only. This is your stitch length adjustment right here. Your bobbin winder is right here. You adjust your tension. And this has a real unique threading pattern. It takes, believe this is a standard 15 needle. And it's not a shuttle. And it has all of its original hardware, the plates and the little lid that comes out. This machine also has a bent wood oak lid that goes on it. So it's a really nice little setup. But Wilson Rotary is not part of the other sewing machine company that made sewing machines. It's a Wilson and something. I don't remember what it is. But this is a Wilson machine, and they didn't make machines for very long. And I did a little bit of research on them, and there was a lot of lawsuits and so forth. And Wilson Rotary just eventually went away. But they did make some really pretty machines and really, really well functioning machines. Really easy to use. And look at these stitches. These stitches are just amazing. That's the top. And that's the bottom stitch. Right there. I get it to come into focus. So really pretty stitches. So the hand wheel on these machines runs opposite than what you're used to. You have to roll it away from you. If you roll it towards you, you're going to mess up your bobbin thread. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. See, I almost did it. I always want to roll the machine forward. Isn't that great? So this machine is ready for a new home, and if it ends up in yours, I hope you enjoy it.